Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix user is banned in Discord from a server. So if you currently got the issue you've been banned from a server inside Discord, I've got a solution for you. So what you want to do is open up Discord, and then from here you want to log out of your Discord, and then you want to create a new account. And then after you've created a new account inside Discord, what you want to do is, so when you've been banned from that Discord server, take note if you got banned using your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. So for example, if you've got banned using your mobile data, just log into a Wi-Fi network, and then from there with your new account and you're logged into a Wi-Fi server, go ahead and click on join a server, and then join that Discord server again using your new account, and your new internet connection, whether it be Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then you'll be successfully joined that server again.